Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Rosh and I'm a foundation level student at Rehan School at Campus Islamabad. And today I am sharing my movie review. And my topic is what I learned from watching Pay It Forward. Pay It Forward tells the story of Trevor McKinney, a young student who receives an unusual school assignment. Think of an idea to change the world and put it into action. Instead of simply writing about it, Trevor comes up with a simple but powerful idea. Rather than repaying a good debt to the person who helped him, he encouraged people to help three other people in need. If each of those people help three more, kindness can spread from one person to another and eventually reach thousands. The biggest lesson I learned from this movie is a small act of kindness can create big changes. We often think we need money, power, or influence to make a difference, but the film reminds us that even simple action, helping someone, encouraging a friend, listening to someone who is struggling, or volunteering our time, can positively impact another person's life. Another important lesson is the power of compassion. Every person we meet may be facing challenges that we cannot see. A kind word, a simple smile or a helping hand can give someone hope during a difficult time. The movie encourages us to treat people with empathy instead of judgment. I also learned that one person can inspire many others. Trevor was just a young student, yet his idea had the potential to influence an entire community. This reminds us that the age does not limit our ability to create positive change, whether we are students, professionals, or parents. We all have the ability to inspire others through our action. Another meaningful lesson is that doing good should not always be about getting something back. True kindness means helping others without expecting a reward. When we give without expecting anything in return, we create stronger communities built on trust, generosity, and compassion. One lesson that stayed with me is that our actions have ripple effects. We may never know how one deed influences someone else's life, and a single act of kindness can inspire another act, creating a chain reaction that reaches far beyond what we imagine. The performances, emotional storytelling, and powerful message make this movie unforgettable. While the story includes emotional and difficult moments, it ultimately encourages viewers to think about how each of us can contribute to making society more caring and compassionate. Overall, I found Pay It Forward to be a deeply moving and inspiring movie. It teaches us that kindness is contagious. Compassion makes communities stronger, and every person has the ability to make a positive difference, no matter how small the action may seem. Thank you so much for watching. This is my movie review. Hope so you like it. Meet you in the next video. Pakistan Zindabad. Khuda Hafiz.